We've been living in our van for a little more than a year, and it's time for some more upgrades. Some things to make it a little easier to sit inside, and so we've made a choice of adding swivel seats. So today's project is installing the swivel seat for the passenger side, and so let's get going. It's gonna be fun. Holy commode, man, that thing's heavy. You see that one too?
Mm-hmm.
So I got the bolts out. I just clipped the wire ties on that there, so I can pull this out the side here. Let's see what we got there. Looks like I got another wire tie something on. So now it's take the seat out. Now it's back to you. It's up to you now, Evelyn. It's your task.
Clean. Okay.
It's a little bit funky. 1 year of dog hair in here. It's been cleaned before, but now it needs to be done again. Yeah.
Thank you. So you're gonna have to take the seat off every year so I can do the cleaning.
I can pull the whole box off by taking this out. And this one over here.
I don't really feel like it.
Okay, we'll see.
Hey, Boo. What you doing? You catching bugs?
Taking a video of me because you don't see me work very often.
Yep, I'm recording this.
Where?
Right there. Nasty. A couple.
Oh my gosh. Alright. This goes in like this. Okay. So by what I figured out so far, we've got 6 short ones and 6 long ones. And I believe the long ones have to go in the top. So let me leave
Where's
those
the
there.
spacer go?
I'm not going to talk about that yet. 6. Short ones first.
Okay.
Okay. The long ones will be later. That's going to be the spacers.
The spacer goes on top. Just checking. Don't look at me like that.
Alright, so what I did is I loosened up, I moved the handle and put a screwdriver in there to pry it so it would kick around. That's easier than, that was easier than trying to do it with me and you. That wasn't happening. And it feels like those are going to thread right into the old stuff, so no nuts involved. Because it did come in nuts also, but that's good, don't have to. Make sure you put in all 4 bolts first before you tighten down any of them, otherwise you can't move it again. That's me again. So make sure on all these bolts that you get them all in place first before you start snugging them up, and then you can go ahead and tighten them all down. It is a 5/16 or 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter? I think that's right. Should be the same. Oh, no, I'm incorrect. That says 3/16, so it must be a smaller size then. Anyway, that's what's on here, and I'm sticking to it.
No, it's heavy. Alright, I got him through the hole. I'm going to try to keep guiding him.
Okay, so I don't have everything tightened up yet, so it's one piece at a time, making sure that we only snug the items up. You still have to slide this forward and put the back 4 bolts in. It's going to come up from the bottom. And I just put my fingers in or hold it and twist the bolt rather than trying to twist the nut. A little bit easier than trying to get my fingers to turn the nut on the inside in there. The nuts on these are a 13 millimeter, if that helps you out any. Oh, where do all these things come from? Back up some. Hello. Hello, Mr. Bill. How much you pay for that guy? Alright. We're hooked back up.
Ooh. It's turning. It's turning. It's turning. turning. Oh, it's hard to turn. Does it just swivel? It don't lock.
It only swivels to that position.
This is cool.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
Got your new little toy?
Mm-hmm.
And then, does this countertop flip up? Oh, look at you.
Give me a laptop. Ready to play.
That's my seat. You still get the bed.
You can install one over here so I can have one.
Oh, that's going to be a different day on a different project, but we have that one, don't we?
We don't have a table though.
Then when we get that together, when we get ready to do that, you're installing that one.
No. No way.
I think you should do the one that's installing that now that you've seen how it's done.
No. Okay, I'm good.
You happy now? Glad we got a swivel in here. Try not to break the thing off. But, alright.
I like that.
I'll get the bolts to this. But the thing you got to do is swivel it. Let's see if we can swivel. It's really hard. May have to get you to hold the lever while I turn it.
The whole thing's moving.
Huh?
Yeah, it's all moving.
I'm gonna stick this in here like this from the bottom if I can. May not be able to. Will that screw into the old holes? That's what I want to find out. Probably. Let's get this thing turned though. I need you to. I need you to pull the lever back on it. I'll try to twist it. Okay. You'll have to do more than that.
Alright.
Ready? Let's go the other way then. Ready? You pull back. You got it released?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Let's put this up on the side. It's released. Oh gosh, that's hard. Why is it so hard? I figured it'd spin. There's no other locks releasing it. Just a detent. Pull back on the lever. Oh, it's hard. It's really, really hard. And how are we going to do this? I'm not going to be able to get the screws through there to begin with. Since they go from the inside. Well, we got to turn that some. So. Alright. Pause and I'll be back.